entered the first day thinking it was going to be busier, but obviously with the stalls with the limited capacity they can get through in a day, I still think it's going to mean that we've got a bit of demand as we go through the rest of this week, that's for sure.
And are there any stores yet to open that people can look forward to the opening?
Yeah, well, Drummer being the biggest, so as a business, obviously they're doing a very phased opening, so that's still yet to open, and then we've got the likes of Hollister, Victoria's Secret, All Saints, Hobbs, a few others that will still come online over the next couple of weeks.
Well, thank you very much indeed for talking to us. You have my heart, Chris, already at Brent Cross. What can I tell you? There are no other contenders for my heart and soul. Let's go to Kate Kinsella for the weather. Not at all bad yesterday, Kate. Well done.
Thank you. Although we did have a few showers,
yeah, we did.
Stuck underneath one, but gardens need it. And it's going to be very similar today. Actually, we've had all the humidity. It was quite a warm night last night, so out towards the suburbs of Lyon, there is a little bit of mistiness out there as well. And that's burning back. The sun's up, of course. We'll see cloud bubbling up through the afternoon, and with that, we could see one or two heavy thundery downpours, and they're going to be slow moving. There's barely any wind around at the moment, so if you do get one of these showers, they're not going to disappear very quickly. Temperatures though back up 23, maybe 24 towards the west of London. Now overnight, a repeat of last night, mist and fog under clearer skies, minimum 11 to 14, still quite muggy, and then tomorrow rinse and repeat, exactly the same. The fog will burn back, sunny spells, patchy clouds, thundery showers, temperatures in the low 20s tomorrow. That's your
lovely work. Thank you very much indeed. More sun, more showers all going on. Thank you, Kate, very much. It's now time for the news headlines.
Good morning. Figures released in the last few minutes show the number of workers on PAYE fell by more than 600,000 between March and May as the effects of the lockdown hit the economy. And between February and April, the overall unemployment rate held steady at just under 4%. That covers the first 6 weeks of lockdown. Doesn't include people who've been furloughed. A former leader of the Conservative Party says the unemployment figures are a personal catastrophe for hundreds of thousands of people. Lord Hague says lockdown's been a disaster for our society. He's calling on the government to relax some of the stricter coronavirus measures, including the 2-metre social distancing rule. Boris Johnson's also coming under increasing pressure to extend the free meal voucher scheme for vulnerable children through the summer holidays. It's due to finish at the end of this term, but after the Manchester United and England striker Marcus Rashford wrote passionately about his childhood experience of poverty, some Tory MPs have joined Labour in calling for a rethink. Detectives investigating a fatal stabbing in North London last month have charged 3 men with murder. 6 other men arrested in connection with the attack on 23-year-old Jamal Ibrahim.